A camping trip can turn into survival of the fittest before you know it. A sunny summer morning. What better time to go hiking? Wait, why are you dressed like that? We're hiking, not going to dinner. She won't give in. Even in the wilderness, she has to look her best. Well, I guess we'll see how she does. The girls head into the forest. Wow, who could have guessed? Not a red carpet in sight, just some rocky trails. What was she thinking? As soon as her feet touch the dirt, she's questioning her fashion choices. Okay, maybe you had a point. These heels are pretty uncomfortable. Do you have anything else in your backpack? Not this. Oof, definitely not that. Oh, here we go. We can work with this. Get some plastic bottles. Flatten them to get all of the air out. You'll also need a pair of socks. Put the sock on the bottle like this. The diva finally takes off her shoes and puts her plastic slippers on. After those awful heels, these bottle shoes are like a relaxing pair of slippers. They are not designer, but they get the job done. You need to be extra careful on a hike. There's danger everywhere, and not a single pharmacy. What happens if someone gets hurt? First, wash the wound with clean water. If you don't have a Band-Aid on hand, use a tampon. Take it out of the package. Expand it like this. Put it on the wound and fasten it with a thread. My guardian angel! I owe you one! Phew! Time for a break! Maybe you should eat something. Here, I have some snacks. Put a cauldron, or maybe just an ordinary saucepan, over medium heat. Get a jar of honey. Pour it in the pan. Melt it until it's totally liquid. Add some dried berries and nuts. You can even add some banana chips and muesli. Stir well to incorporate all of the ingredients. Now you'll need a glass mold and some cling wrap. Cover the mold with the cling wrap. Pour your healthy snack evenly into the mold. Cover it with another layer of cling wrap. Wait until it cools down. Then use scissors to cut it into bars. Wrap each one up to go. They are not only tasty, but they are nutritious. Just think about all the vitamins they have. And they are all natural, homemade. Oh no! It seems the friends have gotten a little turned around. Where do we go? This way? No, we should go the other way. Standing at a crossroads like this, the girls realize that they have totally lost their way. Wait, don't worry, this compass can guide us. Are you overheated or something? That's your blush, not a compass. Hey, don't judge a book by its cover. You need an old makeup compact. Pour some water into it. Get a wine cork and a box cutter. Cut off a piece of the cork like this. Mark north and south. Put a piece of cork in water and a magnetized needle on top. When the needle stops, it will be pointing north. A DIY compass is just what we need to get out of this pickle. Wait! I hear running water. There must be a river nearby. There it is. It looks like we can wade through it. Look, do it like this. Use the stones as steps. Oh no! Someone dropped the matches. What have you done? We can't continue without fire. Hey, no worries. These matches can't even get wet. You need an empty Tic-Tac box and a matchbox. Take the matches out of the box. Cut off the igniting part. Place one inside the Tic-Tac box and glue the second outside. Put the matches in the box. Now they are stored in a waterproof safe. And if the igniting paper gets wet, a replacement from the box will come to the rescue. For the next life hack, you'll need a plastic bottle and a knife. Cut off the bottom. Collect some stones. Put them in an upside-down bottle. Now you need some charcoal. Spread it over the stones. Pour the sand and small stones over everything. Now you have a portable water filter. Cover the opening so nothing spills out. Now test it out. Collect some fresh water and pour it in the filter. Take the cap off of the bottom and look, clean water is flowing through. The filter cleans out all the contamination from water and will make it taste great too. The weather's changing. It gets pretty cold in the forest. You are gonna need to build a shelter. Collect some branches. Put long sticks over a tree trunk. Throw the rest on top. The shelter is almost ready. But the knife is blunted, and you need to cut off sharp twigs from the stick. How are we supposed to sharpen it? A nail file? Why not? It sharpens our nails, right? Sharpen the blade from both sides. It's working wonders! I guess the stuff you had in your purse wasn't so useless after all. Now it's way sharper than an ordinary knife. Well, our house is ready! Hurry, climb in before it gets too cold! Brrr! Can't we turn the heat on? Shame there's no smart home system in the hut. At least you have a sweater. I didn't even bring warm clothes. Don't worry, this cling wrap life hack will keep you warm. So what you're gonna do is turn your friend into a cling wrap mummy. Wind up her arms and her body. This way she keeps all her body heat and doesn't shiver so much. Okay, but now let's get really toasty and light a mini fire in a can. Be sure to do this one with an adult supervision. You'll need a few napkins. Roll them all together using a pen. Pull the pen out. Place pieces of wax candles in a glass cup. Melt them in a microwave. Dip the napkins in the liquid wax. You could soak the roll on both sides. Cut off the top of a can. Punch holes in the bottom using an awl. Place the waxed napkins in the jar. Set them on fire. Using this, you can not only warm up, but you could also heat some water for tea, or maybe even cook something. It's also portable. Turn it off, carry it to the next location, and light it again. There's no way you'll freeze now. Oh, our poor travelers. They are so tired that they're falling asleep practically standing up. The girls leave their little hut. Yeah, it definitely wasn't a night at the Ritz. Wish we could have gotten a suite. Gross! Mosquitoes! Why are there so many of them? Where's the repellent? Shoot! I totally forgot! Okay, don't worry. We know a hack to save you from those pesky bloodsuckers. Find an anthill. Wet a napkin with water. Put it on the anthill so the little guys will run all over it. The ants emit an acid that mosquitoes can't stand. Shake the ants off the napkin, then rub whatever skin isn't covered by clothes with it. Here's to a life with no mosquito bites. We've been on the trail way too long. It's about time we had lunch. You think there are any fish in this river? We can catch some with your hair. My hair? Well, I guess it's worth a shot. Remove the top of a soda can. Cut off part of it using pliers. Get the hair. Twist the strands together to make a rope. Tie it to the tin hook. Tie the other end to a stick and go to the river. Put some bait on the hook. Throw the line. If only we could catch a goldfish that would fulfill our wishes. I would wish for 2 cheeseburgers and a Coke. We caught something. Reel it in, quick! It's huge! Get it before it escapes. Wow! This is awesome! And it's all thanks to your hair! What's a summer evening without a campfire? But you should stop sitting and doing nothing but watch the flames. It's time to cook the fish. Rub the fish with salt and run a stick through it. Set it on sticks and fry on an open fire. Mmm, smells delicious! I can't wait to try it! We didn't bring plates, so we'll eat it just like this. Who cares? In the forest, cling wrap is luxe. The fish turned out to be delicious. At last, the exhausted travelers escape the wilderness. Finally, the way home! We're safe! Did you like these hacks for wilderness survival? How will you spend your weekend? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on the bell so you are the first to know about all new ideas from Troom Select.